once upon a time, you and I had our very first call, and you have a background teaching writing as a college professor, and you had reached out. Nevertheless, why, Jill? Why did you reach out, and what was the thing that you wanted to talk about on that call?
Well, it turns out writing papers is very, very different from writing novels. And even though I love to read, and I think most writers love to read, and if not, that may be where the desire to write your own book comes from for, I think, most writers, loving to read and loving books. And I quickly learned that I had a lot to learn as far as writing a novel goes. And even though I had a plot and I had some interesting characters and personalities, it was pretty much kind of a flat line. And I didn't know that. I didn't know that until we really went through it together. And then I learned that I have a lot to learn. And as I've said to you a few times over the past year, a little more than a year, it's been so nice to be a student again and to just learn so many new things and be exposed to new ideas and to have classmates again. And I've just so enjoyed that and really learned a lot about writing. And so now to think about what it takes to have a manuscript that you feel is ready. I don't like to use the word finished because I still tweak every now and then, a word or two here or there, but that you feel is ready to send to a potential agent or ready to send to a publisher. That has a whole different, very, very different meaning today than it did when we first spoke a year ago, March, when I thought I had this great story. But I really just had the seed of a great story. And so now it's grown into a fully formed story.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.